Order at the cafe. Let's first learn some useful English words. Recommend. What would you recommend? Branch out. Looking to branch out? Miss out on. You miss out on stuff like this.
Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, I'd like to try something different today. Usually I just get black coffee.
Oh, looking to branch out. What kind of flavors do you normally enjoy?
Well, I like sweet things.
The vanilla latte here is amazing.
Okay, I'll have a small iced vanilla latte, please.
Perfect. Anything to eat with that?
What would you recommend?
The chocolate cake is our most popular. It goes really well with the vanilla latte.
All right, I'll take one slice of that too.
And for you?
I'll just have a regular cappuccino, no sugar, thanks.
Got it. So that's one small iced vanilla latte, one slice of chocolate cake, and one cappuccino.
How much does it cost?
Your total comes out to $12.75.
Okay, here you go.
We'll bring your order to your table. Should be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Here's your iced vanilla latte, cappuccino, and chocolate cake. Anything else I can get for you?
No, thank you.
Enjoy. Let me know how you like our latte.
Thanks. Wow. Okay, this is way better than I expected.
Right? I told you, way better than boring black coffee.
Hey, black coffee isn't boring, it's straightforward.
Exactly. Boring. Because you always stick to the same routine, same coffee, same lunch spot, same everything.
All right. You win this time.
Sometimes it's good to switch things up, you know? Otherwise you miss out on stuff like this.
The cake is incredible too. How did I not know about this place?
I knew you would like it.
I definitely need to try more new things.
Must-know phrases. I'd like to try something different. I'd like to try something different. What would you recommend? What would you recommend? Can I get that in a medium, please? Can I get that in a medium, please?